sometimes something will run, something will be oversold, something will be overbought, and they don't necessarily follow Bitcoin. But there's also the ARB opportunity. If something gets frothy, you can roll back into Bitcoin like we've been doing with ARB Cloud for over 3 years. Between MicroStrategy and Bitcoin too, you can do the same thing here with miners. In addition, let's look at another visual. This is a better perspective, another time frame going back to August 2023. It's a bit of a nightjar. I should have made the font a bit bigger. But the point is, the very top right one is CleanSpark. Then Bitfarms is kind of out there in the middle all alone. And there's Riot down below the lowest green arrow. And to the right of Riot is Marathon. So they're kind of like the 3 or 4 big winners so far since August 2023. So you're going to get a feel that no matter what time frame you select, it's the same names over and over and over again. And that's important to look at too. Let's go and look at what the miners are actually doing as well. Before we get into the financial analysis, which comes next, this is the miner flows from the top and bottom model.